Hi everyone. Today we are going to see a chapter from history, the rise of nationalism in Europe. So in order to start with the lesson, first let us understand what is nationalism. Nationalism is nothing but the feeling of belonging and loyalty that causes people think of themselves as a nation. So here it is a feeling. What is the meaning of nationalism? It is nothing but the feeling of belonging and loyalty which causes people to think that they are a nation. Okay, instead of saying that it belongs to somebody else, they feel that they are a nation. During 19th and 20th centuries, nationalism was a powerful force that could create one nation from many separate countries. So for example, Italy and German, one nation can be formed from many separate countries, and one nation can break into many countries. This is called as nationalism, which happened during the 19th and 20th century. Coming to the European society, which is majorly classified into the upper class and the lower class. When you consider the upper class, this upper class consisted of landed aristocracy were the dominant group. So these people were very high class people. Okay, they were aristocrat people. They had common interest and lifestyle, owned large country estates and townhouses. They were owning, they had. Owning is nothing but which belongs to only them. They owned large country estates and townhouses. Most of them spoke only French. Coming to lower class, majority of the people were peasants. Peasants are those who work for agriculture. Most were landless and worked as serfs. They didn't have land. That's why called as landless and worked as serfs. Serfs are nothing but those who work in the estates and lands of their landlords, their owners. So they were working in the lands of their owners. Coming to the French Revolution, the idea of the nation. French Revolution had started in 1789. It was a full-fledged territorial state in 1789 under the rule of a monarch. Monarch is nothing but a kingdom. They had a king who was ruling them. Political and constitutional changes that came in wake of the French Revolution led to the transfer of sovereignty from monarchy to a body of French citizens. So then political and constitutional changes arose, which led to the transfer of sovereignty, that is the monarchy, that is the kingdom rule was completely changed, and it was changed to a body of French citizens. Various practices adopted to develop a sense of collective identity among people. This was done in order to have the sense of collective identity among people. Declaration of mission to liberate Europe from despotism. Liberate Europe from despotism is nothing but in order to help Europe come out of the despotism. Despotism is where it is ruled by, where it had a cruel ruling. So there were declaration of missions which happened in order to liberate Europe from the despotism. Setting up of Jacobin clubs by educated middle class and students of Europe. So all the educated middle classes and students of Europe, they set Jacobin clubs. Jacobin clubs are those clubs which club formed by the people who are the highest, who have the highest political parties. It also powered revolution in all Europe. So this created a revolution in complete of Europe.